It was hot. They worked through excruciatingly hot weather in a tight, small attic. So I give them so much credit because it was a really challenging situation and they rose to the occasion and got it done incredibly well.
For us, TemperaturePro brought the team that had both technical skills and service at top-notch levels to complete our project.
It was flawless. They came, explained what they would be doing, showed me exactly what and where things would be changing. They worked with me to understand the technicalities, so I understood what was being placed into the home, what was being taken out that wasn't necessary. They also cleaned up incredibly well. It was spotless when they left our home. It just was a wonderful experience.
I'd happily recommend TemperaturePro to our family and friends. I have done it several times already because of the service and because of the professionalism they bring. Happy to recommend them to anybody.